I'm Suzanne Tick, Creative Director of Luum Textiles. Today I'll be walking you through our May 2023 launch, the Supernatural Collection. We're breaking new ground with Luum. This is our first collection where all but one of the styles contains chief weight natural materials. There's a nurturing quality, a rawness, and a feeling of wellness in the way the different fiber types display in each product. There's a myriad of sustainable, supernatural materials here, including renewable resources like wool, linen, and cotton, domestic wool, 100% recycled biodegradable polyester, recycled cotton and polyester, and recycled garment waste. We explore new patterns and textures that are comfortable, classic, and technical to meet the needs of contract and hospitality spaces. Working with nature in mind, we take part in the system, presenting you a collection that feels good and does good too. Let's start with Rubric, our mid-scale pattern. Woven on a double beam loom with natural fibers, Rubric's multicolor block pattern plays with scale and repetition, echoing the constructions of classic Bauhaus weavings and the vibration of 1960s op art. Rubric's double beam loom construction allows thicker and thinner yarns to be interlaced together in the warp and weft direction. The result is a textured needlepoint appearance enhanced by color and material contrast. Rubric's 6 colorways are punctuated by vivid cotton accents to create a unique conversation between natural and bright colors. Next is Barber Pole Basket. This textile has a distinct textured quality not seen elsewhere on the market. Like Rubric, Barber Pole Basket is also woven on a double beam loom. Its balanced basket weave structure uses a thicker, twisted black and white cotton barber pole yarn consistently in both the warp and weft direction. Combined with thinner blended recycled cotton and domestic wool yarns, the contrasting and tonal colors come together to display a textural overlay on the surface of furniture and has terrific soil hiding capabilities. Everyday Boucle, my fave. This will be your go-to staple texture for upholstery, and best of all, it comes in 22 colorways. Everyday Boucle was developed to expand our garment waste fiber platform. Joining wool fleck, graph spec, and melange check, color is derived from the original garments without the need for added water or dye stuffs. The recycled yarn is then woven together with a boucle yarn, which is formed by the twisting of multiple yarn components of different weights, with one component at looser tension than the others. The boucle's loopy texture then emerges from the melange ground to create a raw and organic surface with a handmade essence that adds dimension, softness, and warmth to any interior as an everyday staple. And now contrast slub. This textile really brings out the character of natural materials. The name alone tells it all. With contrast slub, the organic and irregular slub effect of a viscose and linen warp interacts with chunky cotton in the weft in an intriguing juxtaposition of color and materiality. The textile's 2-color formula was developed intentionally to amplify the slub effect by using contrasting colors in the warp and weft, where the slub fiber in the vertical is always lighter in color. Its dense and substantial surface complements the curves of furniture, while its organic 2-color surface is smooth to the touch, creating a visual and tactile experience for a variety of lounge seating and other upholstery pieces. We've gotten green light from many furniture manufacturers with this product. It upholsters beautifully. And finally, we have Biotope. Biotope, a word synonymous with habitat, is the 3rd textile in Luum's line to use 100% recycled biodegradable polyester technology. Joining Ecotone and Grid State, these styles advance the conversation around sustainability, lessen impact on the environment, and provide more design solutions with their bleach cleanable and multi-purpose use properties. Everything we do at Luum is connected by a common thread, what we refer to as the unified field. Here you can see how beautifully our renewable resources work together in these nature-related palettes inspired by the works of land artist Andy Goldsworthy. We design with attention, so at each collection launch we extend color and pattern offerings, making sure that everything works together. As always, if you have any questions, please visit luumtextiles.com to find your local rep and order samples anytime.